Here, sit. Maybe sitting will make it better.
Sitting will make it better.
You're wasting camera time. What is that?
Boring.
Come on, stop.
Do you hear the cow? Listen closely.
What is that?
Oh, there it is again. Where does it come from? It sounds like it's
Is there a rocking chair outside?
It sounds like it's coming
Okay,
from
that's
behind
moving.
the fridge. But it sounds like it's coming from behind the fridge. Like that direction.
Don't freak Jamie out.
I know this pretty rave girl.
That's what Zach meant by he was hearing a pig grunting.
Whoop,
Yeah.
whoop, whoop. See, it really does sound like a pig grunting.
I'm kinda scared. Are you?
I know Taekwondo, and we got 3 girls. Brooke, you just seduce him. Jamie, you scare him with satanic things, and I'll Taekwondo him. And then we're good.
I seduce him, cool.
Well, just grab his crotch. You have a 10 in your mouth.
Guys, I don't want to go upstairs alone when I have to pee so bad.
Good luck with the bushes. No, get off, get off, get off, get off.
Go pee in that pot and then dump it in the sink.
Sick, don't do that.
I'd do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it.
Pee in bushes.
No.
Now I'll put the flashlight on.
Okay.
I thought you pee in that pot and dump it in the sink.
How do I stop it?
Come with me.
How do I stop